Hey, first grade, it's Miss Griffin. Our last video was about making a 10 using Legos and adding those Legos together in the tens and ones in order to solve addition problems. Today, we're going to be working on another way to solve addition problems. We're going to be reviewing how to use our hundreds chart. I know that we've been using it before. I'm going to show you hopefully some faster ways that we can use this hundreds chart to add. So, here we have the number 17. We've divided it up into tens and ones. 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones. When we add with our hundreds chart, when we move with our tens, we move down. When we're adding the ones, we move across. We go this way for the ones and this way for the tens when we're adding. Let's see how that would look with our chart. I have here 77 plus 17. Let's find 77 first and mark it on our hundreds chart. Got my expo marker here, and I'm going to mark 77 right there. Now, we were adding 17, which, as I said before, has a 1 in the tens column and a 7 in the ones column. So we're going to move down 1 and over 7. So let's move our down 1 first for that 110. Okay, here we are, and now we're at 87 because we moved down 1. Now we're going to move over 7. So I want you guys to count with me. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, we ran out of room. We've got to continue on down here. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we end up on 94. So we had down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for 77 plus 17, we ended up on 94. Because we went down 1 and over 7. Now, let's look at another problem. Here we have 23 plus 55. We have 2 5s here. But remember, this 5 is in the tens column and this one is in the ones column. So this means we're going to go down 5 and over 5. But let's start on our 23. Right over here. And we're adding 55. So first let's go down 5. Starting at our 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we're at 75. Let's go over 5 for our 5 in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we end up on 78 because we went down 5 and then over 5. So 23 plus 55 equals 78. It gets faster as you get the hang of it, and remembering which numbers are in the ones column and which are in the tens column will make it go faster. Here, we have 22 plus 20. 20 has how many tens? That's right, it has 2. But how many ones does it have? 0. So we're going to go down 2, but over 0. Let's start on our 22. Right here. And we're going to go down 2. 1, 2, 42. And that's where we stay because we go over 0. So 22 plus 20 equals 42. Just like this over here. And of course, it works if we have a 0 in the tens column too, but usually you're not going to see that 0 marked. It would just look something like this. Let's do 53 plus 8. We usually wouldn't put a 0 in the tens column. We would usually just leave it blank, but it means the same thing. We have 0 tens in that number. Let's start at our 53. Right here. And we're going to go down 0 because we don't have any tens in that number. We're going to go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, we got to go down to the next column because after 60 is 61. 8. So using that, we discover that 53 plus 8 equals 61. So 53 plus 8 equals 61. It takes a little bit of practice to get fast at it, but that hundreds chart can help you with a lot of numbers, and especially if you tend to lose your place because you can mark off as you're going. Just make sure that you wipe your board clean after every time you use it. Otherwise, you may get mixed up from problem to problem. All right. Keep practicing. You'll get it. Have a great day and stay safe. I love you guys.